What's up, guys? If you're using an Android phone in 2026 and want to give your lock screen a fresh modern look, then you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the lock screen clock style in just a few taps, no extra apps needed. And it works on most Android devices. Let's jump right into it. First, go to the settings menu. Once you're inside settings, maybe scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled wallpaper and style. On some devices, this may appear as lock screen, depending on your phone model and software version. Now tap on the lock screen preview image. This will open customization options for your lock screen design. Next, look for the clock section and tap directly on the clock displayed on your screen. Here you'll be able to customize different clock styles, fonts, sizes, and sometimes even colors depending on your Android version. Take your time to choose the style that best fits your preference. You can preview each design before applying it. Once you are happy with your selection, simply tap Done at the top of the screen. Wait a few seconds while your settings are applied. And just like that, your Android lock screen now has a brand new clock style. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Android tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.